Hello guys, this is me at Kanayas. Today I'm gonna show you the remastered version of the rocket. And look, this is how you have to play. First press the green flag, and now if you press up key, it shoots a powerful bullet, and if you touch the bullets, you're dead. Sorry, bro. And now if to shoot small bullets, you can just press space like normal. This space might not work with the big bullets, with the big rocks, and you might have many problems to dodge these. So use your mind to play this game carefully, because one touch you're dead, bro. Now I'm gonna set up the logo. Not here. Let me copy all the rocket ship's parts. Grooved, and now copy. And now here you don't need to follow me because I'm just making a logo, okay? So here is it, and now I'm gonna add a big square which is white. Oh, and now many of you saying, let me keep the not here, dumb. Am I even dumb? Let me keep it front, and now let's snap it. Guys, do you know what I'm thinking? You're thinking? You to scale it down, and now make it too far so we can see it easily. And now rocket. Now I'm texting the rocket. Okay, Pixel. I love Pixel because this style is cool. Oh, the text. Let me keep it red. Oh, whoops. And now I have to only set it up as a wait. What the hell? Let me place it here. And now this is gonna be my thumbnail. And now let me see the project page. Oh, now I know. Okay, event. And now if I press it, then it will be invisible. Wait, look, now we have added here, and now I have to match it with the height block. And now if I do it, see, ta-da. And now see, let me check. Let me go. See, here is my thumbnail. Oh, the thumbnail is not showing. No. So I'll only use here, there, and now delete this block. Whatever now. All the link is in the description below. The big rocks might not fall fast because I've made it more easier for you guys. Yes, you guys. If I make the rocks faster, then it might get harder. So you'll win after when it's 80 points. So bye guys. See you later. The game is in the description below. Bye.